who you want to support as a young man in the party. I manage lawyer Justin Frimpong Kodia, the campaign communications and media. I was the director. The BBI, anything media communications was in my hands, together with the team. Nyameya Adoma ye no. Esa say ye running a clean campaign, you know. Me who me bra pani John Bodo baby to be calling. You get it. But when you're careful, it is a matter of a contest of ideas. Mufri said my candidate in about ABCD no betimi are different from the status quo. And that is what you should talk about. And then Ghanaian electorate nanga say very discerning across board. So Mufri say we be did obi atem na ama advantage. Trust me, you rather be pushing away people because Ukrainian cultural fabric now. Ye DNA woman panin for. What he has said between chairman of Usampo for near say and each of them our record our NDC party. Although we've been in position in this I say more of NDC than chairman of Usampo. And sometimes when you even listening to some of them say chairman of Usampo for there is easy to be compromised or too gentle. But the point is, are you going at war? You don't need Obia Sebi onim etuoto na wo de na be di position. Wo hia Obia oye reasonable. Obia yesim kunwa obetime de na adwene ayeden aba na yetimi atoto adwene. Because at the end of the day ye call IPAC ni ade na enye ntokwa na ye kokon ho. Mebo ana. Eye mpese mu eye content eye ideas. So when you make it a campaign message say obi any nyedin obi nya patapa, then of course you are not even campaigning for the person. Because Ghana, we are not ready for war. What you say? Ghana for to abama obi or naniji war and an naniji minti obia. No.
What candidates now? Chairmanship no. Mudia na mu.
Me and people, I don't have any interest. Me mean to be. Maybe the enemy say we need a level-headed person.
Obi we need money beji.
NDC will position in no. There are a lot of national dialogues, sir. So we would only be interested, say, as a political party, provide the opposition. We want the political discourse to be very rich and quality. You don't need to go for a leader. That's the point. That's our interest. We need a leader who is reasonable. I will be putting the national interest first. And I'm not sure that is the kind of a leader, political party, be a MPP, a national chairman over here. Chairman Stephen Ayesu in team, Brinyan. And you will be a level-headed, very reasonable human being. Down to earth, but very firm.